Hey everybody, Coach D here with TackleTrading.com. Spent some time this morning in our coaches lounge. We had a great time discussing market conditions, and we're seeing some kind of shifts and changes in the market today. And wanted to take some time to just take a look at it and analyze what we're seeing on the broad market here. I've got the S&P index up. And I just want to take a look at it. So, we all know about the big correction in the market, nice drop. We again can see the double bottom down here, nice double bottom, strong signal to buy. We've had a great week of recovery in the market, obviously. And we're getting to the point where the market's getting back up towards that 50 period moving average. And we see the candlestick shrinking a little bit today. And we actually seen a little bit of a red, candle, half the day's been up, half the day's been down. And so I wanted to put this into context here and just show you a little bit about how we think about the markets from a multiple time frame perspective. So right now, prices are continuing to rise. I think a lot of people are hoping, they have some hope that the market will continue to rise for the bullish recovery. And there's probably some other bearish speculators who are looking at this, and they're very suspect. They think that this is probably going to drop. And so there's some bears who think it's going to drop. And, we'll have to keep an eye on it. Now, today, again, being Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. If I were in the market, and again, just kind of talking about this from like a psychological perspective, all the people who bought off this bottom here and are taking advantage of the recovery, a lot of those people are short-term type traders, and they're looking to probably exit. So they're looking to take the money and run as soon as they can. And again, tomorrow being a Friday, a lot of short-term traders, particularly the swing and the day traders, like to close out their trading book by Friday. And so I wouldn't be surprised to see some profit taking. And what that basically means is I wouldn't be the least bit surprised if we saw a red candle come in on Friday. Might even happen by the end of the day today. And what I'm going to do is drop down and look at this on a smaller time frame. So we're going to drop in and look at this down here on a 30-minute time frame. Got plenty of history here. And zoom in on that and just kind of take a look at it. So here's the what we see that makes me think, okay, maybe we're slowing down. So part of today, we've actually seen the market put in a double top and actually drop down and take down one level of intraday support. And it's since been recovering, but that recovery is running out of gas a little bit. We're getting closer to midday. Volume gets quiet in the market. Very, very common to see volume get very, very quiet in the middle of the day and then come back up. Very, very quiet in the middle of the day and then come back up. So basically, high volume in the morning, high volume in the afternoon, midday gets quiet. And I would not be surprised to see if, this threshold of 2720 might be taken out. But if this support zone down here, down around 26, let's put the crosshair up there, about 2687, 2688 in that ballpark, becomes a threshold for short-term day traders. If it takes out that support zone, they're going to be looking to sell. And they'll be watching this and seeing if it ends up coming back down by the end of the day. That starts to look like a topping pattern. Now, it isn't an uptrend. Here's the bottom. We're seeing it make the higher highs and the higher lows. But if we start making the lower lows and lower highs, that would be a very clear sign of short-term reversal. So you keep an eye on that. And just, again, the daily candlestick looks nice and strong. Kind of a nice green candle thus far. We have seen it go red earlier in today's trading session, kind of giving a possible sell signal. A lot of traders will be looking to see this old resistance point right here, just right here, coupled with that 50 period moving average. Again, you go back down into the intraday chart, and what do you think people are expecting at resistance? We can't be the least bit surprised that this is an area where they were looking to sell. So watching this to see if this double top turns into more of a reversal, or if the market can power through, break above the resistance zone, and give us more of a continuation pattern. The key is not predicting the future. The key is watching the charts and learning how to take action, how to actually anticipate what's coming next, and to simply take action. If it breaks above resistance, we can probably stay in some bullish positions. If we start seeing it break below support, it's probably time to start closing out those bullish trades and looking to get flat for the weekend like a lot of the short-term swing traders are. This is Coach D with TackleTrading.com. I hope you found this little tutorial helpful.